is there any statutes or limits on what somebody can sue you for beyond that in the state of Mississippi?
So your concern is a common one. My advice to anyone is if you have assets, if you have personal finances, you need to consider those things when you determine the appropriate level of liability insurance that you are going to carry. Because a car is a heavy object in motion that can cause a lot of damage in these car wrecks and cause a lifetime of disability or lifetime of injury. So carrying as much coverage as your finances allow is always a good idea. Now, I'd say 99% of the time in these liability claims, it is the limits of the insurance coverage that are going to provide a backdrop of what we think of as being able to be recovered in a claim. And one reason for this is personal injury that is not intentional is subject to bankruptcy. So it is possible that if you only have a minimal amount of coverage, that your minimal coverage pays on the claim, and then if they would attempt to come and get more, that there's a bankruptcy backstop there that would hit the brakes on the entirety of the proceedings pretty quickly. But if you do have personal assets, that's the reason why you would want more coverage to protect yourself in case the worst happens.
Oh, dear. Oh, well, yikes.
Get good insurance coverage and carry uninsured motorist coverage. That is always my recommendation, and you can call and thank me later. And Mississippi has a very positive, consumer-friendly law in this area that the coverage is allowed by uninsured coverage, and for your family members who live with you, they're broad, and it is good coverage, the uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage.